New tonight, a judge says the Trump administration has to grant San Diego County officials access to the Otay Mesa Immigration Detention Facility for an inspection within 2 weeks. Our Jennifer Franco is live downtown outside the federal courthouse with what led to the ruling. Jen.
Andrew, after months of legal wrangling and denied entry to lawmakers, a federal judge here in San Diego has issued an order which the county is calling a win.
This is absolutely a victory, not only for immigrants who are detained at this facility, but also for the state of California and potentially for other states as well.
A court order forcing greater transparency at the Otay Mesa Detention Center. Migrant advocate Pedro Rios is among those celebrating after raising concerns about the living conditions inside.
With a facility that holds up to 1,400 people, and there have always been cases of overcrowding there, how can we ensure that people who might be ill receive the medical treatment they require?
One of immigration attorney Saman Nasiri's many clients was held there.
She got really sick and like almost had to be hospitalized until they realized, like, oh, we need to give her medicine.
In his ruling, a federal judge writes that the Department of Homeland Security, ICE, and CoreCivic, the facility's private operator, shall not prevent, delay, or obstruct the county from completing a health and safety inspection. Back in February, County Supervisors Paloma Aguirre and Tara Lawson-Remer, along with Senator Alex Padilla, were turned away.
If they will not allow a lawful public health inspection, a federal court will.
After suing in March, certain county officials will now be allowed in no later than June 17th. The inspection team is limited to credentialed subject matter experts and may total up to 4 people, including the county public health officer.
I don't think they're going to be able to work fast enough to clean up whatever it is that's been going on that's causing all this concern.
The judge is also requiring CoreCivic and the federal government to allow detainee interviews and provide access to medical records. In response to the ruling, DHS says, in part, all detainees are provided with proper meals, quality water, blankets, medical treatment, and have opportunities to communicate with their family members and lawyers. And in a statement, Lawson-Remer says, in part, San Diego County has set the gold standard. We will continue to use every tool at our disposal to hold those in charge accountable. Meanwhile, the ruling could ripple far beyond this case.
It could be precedent that where other counties can now regulate what's happening at these private facilities.
And the judge has also ordered CoreCivic to turn over documents related to its policies and procedures by tomorrow, as requested by the County of San Diego. Reporting downtown tonight, I'm Jennifer Franco. Andrew, I'll send it back to you.